Good morning to everyone who is part of the SEO community on the internet. Today I'm going to show you a new DOFOLLOW backlink with an authority strength of 93. It's free and very easy to create. It comes from the website Telegraph. But first, I invite you to join our community of webmasters and SEOs, where we exchange backlinks with each other for free. Take a look at our website, whose domain is Telegra.ph. is a free publishing platform created by Telegram that allows you to write and publish articles quickly, easily, and without registration. Its main goal is to make it easy to create clean, direct, and shareable content. Telegraph is used to publish informational articles, guides, tutorials, stories, or promotional content without distractions. It does not include ads or complex menus, which helps the reader focus only on the content. Now that we know what we can do on this platform, let's write any sample text. As you can see, writing on Telegraph is very simple. You access the website, add a title, and start writing. It also allows you to insert images, YouTube videos, and links. To add a link, you simply select the word or phrase you want and add your backlink with your URL. If we want to improve the YouTube SEO of one of our videos, we can do it by adding a YouTube video. Each article generates a unique URL that can be easily shared on social networks, Telegram, WhatsApp, or via email. Among its benefits for promoting a business are fast publishing, easy link sharing, good Google indexing, and the possibility of using it to support content marketing, SEO strategies, and traffic generation to your main website. And that's how easy it is, friends. We've created a post with a DOFOLLOW backlink and also added one of our YouTube videos. Subscribe if you like these backlink tips. See you in the next video.